Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Scion. This is the XA 2004, 2005, 2006. This was produced with this keyless entry fob. It doesn't have an integrated key like some of the later models, but this one, the key to this is the little notch right here. If you can get leverage, let me focus it here, into this little notch, you're able to pry apart the two parts of this battery. So take like a small flathead screwdriver and just kind of work this notch here right at the top of the key, and you kind of jiggle it back and forth a bit, and if you can get underneath the two edges here, it can be a little tricky, especially if you're doing this the first time. But just keep kind of prying apart at this notch. Eventually you'll be able to start to get some separation. You see that? So this top part's starting to come up a little bit. So you kind of got to get underneath that. So once you get that up a little bit, there, you can start to get a little separation there. And once you do that, you'll be able to pop. See, and now I've got the edge here. Now these two sides, you can hold your finger there. Just kind of keep working it. Okay, now see, I've got this side. I can take the edge here and then keep working it along the edge here, and then we're able to separate these two sides. It can be a little tricky. I've done this one a few times, and see, you do have to kind of force a little bit. Luckily this battery lasts a long time, so you shouldn't have to replace it very often. Okay, so inside there's a 2016 CR 2016 small key battery. To get this out, take a small, if you have a small like precision screw set here. It's a little tight in here. There's a good spot right here in the corner. Get some leverage and pop that battery out. Get a new CR 2016 and just place it underneath these two brass tongs there. Make sure the positive side is up, which is the flat side with the lettering, and the negative side is down. Put that back in there, and then this will just pop right back in place. Make sure it's tight all the way around, and that's it. So that's how you change the key fob battery on a Scion XA. This is the first generation, only generation, 2004, 2005, 2006 models. All right, thanks.